Hi, welcome traders. This is Dr. Keith. Happy Tuesday evening. Hope you're doing well. All right, so I sent out a text earlier this morning and an update on the SPX. I got out with about a 26% profit. I do like this to go down more, folks, in full disclosure. But I wanted to take profits. A lot of news coming out right now, G20 meetings and so forth. But Fractal Energy is rising, which is a great indicator that the move could be more substantial as we're getting a trigger short. So I would love to see this continue down to the end of the week and then start looking for triggers to the long side going into next week. Okay, so I am out of this trade, so now I'm just going to be on the sidelines and wait and see. Again, I think we're going to have next 3 days or so continued down movement. The more it comes down, the better for us to look for longs and for next week. Okay, if you're still in this trade, just protect your profits. But yeah, this is probably going lower, folks. Okay, so good solid trade on the SPX. All right, the other open trade right now, bring up the Kiwi 6N. Okay, so we hit profit target 2 today. So what I'm going to do now is, folks, I don't want to give up any more potential profits. Right now my stop was at break even, obviously, right? I've got one contract left. Okay, basically up 820 on this last contract. I'm going to move my stop to profit target 1 at 0.6221. So 0.6221. I'm going to put a good to cancel. Basically protect myself on that last contract as well. But it's been obviously a fantastic trade. I'd love to see, folks, right, this to come back up to the next level of highs at about 0.679. Okay, so that could be on this last contract a potential really nice trade. Okay, if you want to be conservative, you can keep your stop at break even. But I'm gonna put my stop at profit target 1 and keep it there for a while and see if we can get a runner on this 6N. Okay. Okay, what else am I looking for? Again, we have some fantastic seasonals coming, folks. Let me just bring up gold. So what I'd love to see this week is gold come down in the next few days, kind of like with the indexes, and then we'll look to enter long as soon as we get an enter long signal based off of my strategies. Okay, gold typically is a really good long July, part of August. So again, the more this can come down, the better entry we'll get on gold. I'll also look at doing a trade on GLD ETF, especially if price is overextended. This thing could just keep rising at this point, as the seasonal started a little bit early here on gold this year. Okay. All right, and then lastly, let me just talk about the VIX. Obviously I keep an eye on that. So you can see the VIX is rising. We had a trigger here to the long side, right, which means volatility is increasing, which typically means then the indexes will continue down, right? So again, my thought is what's going to happen the rest of this week is we're going to have continued down movement on the indexes. The VIX will continue up, and then again, my hope is going into late this week, early next week, we then hit a top on the VIX, and then we'll start looking for longs on the indexes going into next week, right? Especially with the the micros now and so forth. I can put trades out there that everybody can afford to take. So I'm looking forward to that. Again, if you want to sign up for the service, just call the office and we'll get you hooked up. Basically, it's a month risk-free trial. You can kind of see the service, how it can benefit you in your trading. All right, folks, for those of you that have been subscribers for me, appreciate your business. But again, let's continue the success here. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Have a great night. Take care.